ever since I found that thing in my backyard, there's been some weird ass shit going on here. I hear somebody. Almost like these little giggles, these fucking little giggles. And it's like coming from right over here to the side of the garage. Every time I come over here, I don't see nothing but there's crap